Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about skincare. So this is what I do to achieve like really smooth skin. So these are things that I do and like stuff that I use in my skincare routine to keep my skin like really smooth. Also too, I feel like a lot of people miss these steps, are like some people just don't do these things in their skincare routine. I know some people just use like a face wash and then they rinse it off and just put like a oil or like lotion or something on their face and then that's it. But I feel like for you to see like really good results in your skin and also like the texture of your skin, exfoliating is really important. I know a lot of people don't exfoliate, they kind of like skip that part, but I feel like with the winter, like in the winter time, it's like really important to exfoliate your skin because the skin gets drier, and also too it's like that causes flaking. So you want to make sure you always like exfoliating your face. So you don't have to exfoliate every day, but what I've been using is this. So I've been using this St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Oil-Free Salicylic Acid Acne Medication Green Tea Scrub. So it clears the blackheads and unclogs pores. The really good thing about this is also too, it's made from 100% natural exfoliants, which is really good when you're exfoliating your face because you don't want to use anything that's like too harsh on your skin. And also too, you don't want to you want to make sure you're not over exfoliating too, because I've done that before too, where I've like over exfoliated. Yeah, so you don't want to over exfoliate your skin. So the next thing, this is like really important to me. I feel in my skincare routine, like I can't live without this. I mean, I probably could, but so this is Witch Hazel. This is Witch Hazel. It's the Equate brand, which you can find at like Walmart. But it's compared to the T.N. Dickinson Witch Hazel, which everyone is familiar with. But this is like a cheaper version, but it works just as good. But with this is like really important. I feel like I've seen like a really big difference in like texture of my skin. So with this, I would use this after I wash my face with like some kind of facial wash. So I would use this like on a cotton pad and just use it like over my skin. So yeah, I've seen like a really big difference in texture in my skin from using this. So this next thing, I know a lot of people probably would not use this, but I feel like it's like really important to me too. Like since I've been using this, I can tell a really big difference too. I know everybody is not gonna be like into this or whatever, but this is it's called an extractor. So basically it's like a blackhead extractor. It has two sides to it. I don't use this side. I use this side right here. So when I use this after I wash my face. I use this after I wash my face because my pores are open. So once you wash your face with like warm water, or you can actually use a steamer too, but I don't have a facial steamer. So you can use this after you wash your face and your pores are open, and you can actually use this. Usually I would use this like around my nose, just anywhere where you have like whiteheads or blackheads, or like on my chin somewhere. But yeah, you don't want to use this like really too harsh because you don't want to like abuse your skin. So you want to use this like really lightly. And also too, with this, it's really important to sanitize this. So you want to use like alcohol to clean this off before you use it and after, because you don't want to be like transferring bacteria on your skin. So yeah, you want to make sure this is clean, and also to make sure your hands are clean too, because you're going to be like touching your face when you're extracting. So this next thing is really important to me too. So I guess this is like another way of like exfoliating, but I can tell a really big difference in like texture in my skin also too with this. So I guess this is like another form of exfoliating your face. So this is called, well, this is an eyebrow razor. It's just a regular eyebrow razor, but I use this to like shaping up my eyebrows. But I also use this too to basically shave my face. So with this, it's like it basically like takes off dead skin on your face, and also too like hair, because everybody has like hair on their face, whether you're male or female. It's like you have hair on your face. So I use this to shave my face. I don't do it every day, just like every 2 weeks or something like that. But you can really tell like a big difference in your skin also too if you use this. Like your skin will be more glowy and also smoother too. Like your skin will be really smooth after you use this. But you want to be careful also too with this. And also too, when you do this, you don't want to do it on dry skin, because I've done that before too. You want to make sure your skin is like moist, or you want to have some type of like oil or something on your skin before you start to like shave your face. Okay, so this last thing that has really been helping for my skin, I can't show it because basically it's just rinsing my face with cold water. So rinsing your face with cold water will close your pores when you do like all those steps, because like once you open your pores, you want to close them also too. So yeah, rinsing my face with really cold water has really been helping for my skin also too. So that's another tip. Okay, so that is pretty much it. That is like what I do for my skin, and that's like what I use for my skin to get really smooth skin or like glowy skin. So yeah, leave a comment below if any of these tips helped you. I hope they were like really helpful for you, because I feel like a lot of those things like people don't do in their skincare routine. So I feel like those tips are like really helpful for some people.